What do you do if you want to purchase a new home, but you have a home to sell? Let me go through a few options. One, you can be a contingent buyer. This is not a great idea in a seller's market because if you're bidding on a house that there's competition, the seller will most likely go with a non-contingent buyer because it's less headache for them as a seller. Number two, you can put your house on the market, get a buyer, but make sure to write in the purchase agreement that it's subject to the seller finding a home of their liking. You usually have to put a time frame on this. So you might have a month or so before the buyer might get a little frustrated with the process. This is still a contingent offer. However, at least you already have a buyer, so it's a little bit farther down the line. So the seller that you're putting an offer in on might be more apt to take your offer as a contingent offer. Number three, you can do what's called a bridge loan. This works well if you don't have 5% down to put towards the next house. Number four, you can do a HELOC, a home equity line of credit. This basically takes some of your equity from your current home to put down as a down payment. Number five, you can purchase the home that you're looking at, assuming you have 5% down. Once you sell your current home, you can take that equity and roll that into your new home, which is called a recasting. The bank would recast your loan, so now maybe your 5% now is 20% down. At that point, you don't have private mortgage insurance. With all that being said, make sure you talk to your lender, get your pre-approval, and make sure they have the programs that would fit best for your situation. You'll also want to make sure you have your home ready to go or very close to being ready to put on the market. Because once you purchase your new home, you're going to want to put your other home on the market very quickly and price it well and make sure you're working with a trusted listing agent that can get the job done and can navigate this type of situation. Hope that helps, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Again, Darin Bjerknes, Coldwell Banker Burnett. Thanks again.